Hello friends, and today we are going to do EFT on helping ourselves to remove from the lackness. If you have a lackness inside you of anything, then you won't be able to get what you want. This is the rule of the universe. If you have a lack energy, you won't be able to attract what you want. So same applies to money. Money is energy. If you are having a lack energy, then you won't be able to attract the money that you want. So today we are going to tap on how to release the lackness of money, how to release the lackness energy inside us. So we'll start tapping from the hand point. Even though I have this lackness of money in each and every area of my life, I am not able to feel abundant. There is always a lack of energy. Still, I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this lackness. I feel this lackness of energy in my life, in my job, in my business, in my profession. I feel this lackness in each and every cell of my body. Each and every cell of my body tells me that I don't deserve abundant money. I am not capable of receiving the money that I want. In my past, I did not get enough money. In my past, I had some negative experiences. So I lived my life in lack. In my past, I lived my life in lack. There are some things in my life which I never ever got. No matter how much ever I tried it, I did not get the things that I want. I always experienced that lack in everything. I am not having the things that I desire. All the materialistic things that I want, which can make me feel rich, are not there right now with me. This lackness, tap on under the eye. This lackness in each and every cell of my body. This lackness in my past, in my present, and which I am projecting out in the future. This lackness of things in my life. I feel lack. I feel I don't deserve enough money. I feel I don't deserve enough money. I am not capable of receiving it. There is some problem in me. There is some problem in me because of which I am not able to receive the money that I want. Universe doesn't want to give me money. Maybe because of my karma, I don't get enough money. Maybe I am not capable of receiving it. Maybe I don't have the talents and the skills to receive it. I don't have those talents and skills to receive it. I am not capable of receiving it. Maybe I have done something bad in my past. That's why I have to live in lackness. Even though I lived in lackness since so many years, till now I never got a breakthrough in my money life, in my finances. I allow myself to release all the reasons that I have been giving to my own self. In my past, I release myself from all the reasons because of which I feel I don't deserve enough money. Whoever told me that I cannot become rich, I have to live in lackness all throughout my life. I allow all those energies, all those people, all those situations, all those circumstances which came in my life. I allow them to completely let go. I send all that energy back to those people, whoever told me, because they were in lack and they wanted me to be in lack also. They never wanted me to grow, and that's why they said I won't be able to be in abundance in life. I will always be in lack. I don't deserve enough money. They all were projecting their projections on me. They all were projecting their beliefs on me because they didn't believe that they deserve abundance. Deep down, they implanted their beliefs on me. Deep down, they implanted their lackness on me. I allow myself to release all this lackness coming from all those people. It can be my ancestors, my family, my friends, my society, the people around me, the situations and circumstances which told me that I cannot become rich, I can't live in abundance. I allow all those energies to completely destroy, to completely detach from me and my aura. From each and every cell of my body, I clear all those thoughts, emotions, limiting beliefs, negative memories, all those people's energies which are still attached to me in my aura, in my life, in my universe. I allow myself to destroy it. I allow myself to release it. I allow myself, I let go all those energies which are not allowing me to move ahead in my life. I allow myself to completely let go all those energies which are not allowing me to come to a state of abundance. I cut the cords. I cut the cords all the back from my past, in my present, and in my future. I release myself from all the reasons which I have been giving to myself, because somewhere deep down I want to be in lack. I want to listen to all those people. I want to believe on all those people who say that you don't deserve money. You don't deserve enough money. You don't deserve to be in abundance. I allow myself to release all those people from my energy, from my universe, from my aura, from my life, from my mind, body and spirit. I am born to enjoy this life. I am born to receive money from all directions. I am here to live a life of abundance, because living a life of abundance is my birthright. I allow all those energies to detach, destroy from my life, from my mind and body. And I give myself permission to release from this lackness life. I give myself the permission to live a life of abundance. I am grateful for so many things the Divine has given me. There are so many things in my life which are in abundance. I just need to look at it. There are so many things in my life which are in abundance. I am thankful to my Divine for giving me all those things which are in abundance. I am thankful to my Divine for giving me all those things which are in abundance. There are so many things which I can be grateful for. I am not in lackness. I am in abundance. I am in abundance with whatever money that I have, with whatever good relationships and health that I have. There are so many good things that Divine has given me. There are so many good people that Divine has given me. There are so many times when Divine has given me the money that I always needed. Can I be grateful to that? If I be grateful to that, I will move away from this lackness. I don't need this lackness anymore. I don't need these people anymore. I don't need these negative situations anymore. I don't need to put myself in lackness anymore. I am not born for lackness. I am born for abundance. Becoming rich is my birthright. Being in abundance 24/7 is very, very natural to me. It's very, very natural to me. It's very, very natural to me. Being in abundance. Every day when I start my day, I be in abundance. I be in gratitude of the Divine. Whatever the Divine has given me, I start my day in abundance. It's very, very easy to be in abundance than in lack, because to be in lack, it requires a lot of energy. I go into the low feeling, and I don't need to go into that low feeling of lackness. I have everything that I desire. Universe is in abundance. Universe is in abundance. All the things that are there in the universe are in abundance. The sky, the sun, the water, everything in the universe is abundance. Why should I be in lack? I am a part of this universe. I am a part of this divine. The divine wants to give me, but I am not allowing the divine to give it to me. I allow myself to receive all that abundant money in my life. I allow myself to detach myself from this lackness energy, because now I want to become rich and I want to live a life of abundance. All those joys, all those gifts which the divine and the universe wants to gift me, they are just waiting for me. They are just waiting for me, and I allow myself to receive them with open hands, with open heart. Whatever has happened in my past, I destroy it completely. Whatever has happened in my past, I completely destroy it. I let go it completely. I let go it completely. I don't need that anymore. Whatever it may be, however heavy it may be, I don't need to attach myself with that, because now I want to change my life. I want to be in abundance. I allow myself and I give myself permission to release this lackness from each and every cell of my body and tune into the universal abundance. This abundance power is already there inside me. I am already tuned with the abundant power of universe. I am already tuned with all the things that I have in my life. All the abundant gifts the divine has given me in my past, and it's giving me in the present, and it will give me in the future. I just tune myself to that abundant energy. This abundance energy is there in each and every cell of my body. This abundant energy is there in each and every cell of my body. This abundant energy is there in each and every cell of my body. This abundant energy, I allow myself to fill my mind and body and spirit with this abundant energy, with this abundance, with this prosperity consciousness. With this prosperity consciousness, I fill myself in each and every cell of my body. Each and every cell of my body is filled with this divine energy of prosperity. I am rich and prosperous. I am in state of abundance. I am 24/7 in a state of abundance. Even if I sleep, I am in abundance. Even if I eat, I am in abundance. Even if I go for shopping, I am in abundance. Even if I go to work, I am in abundance. Every task that I do with the state of abundance. Everywhere I go and meet people, I am in abundance. I am a soul with infinite power. How can I be in lack? God has gifted me with so many skills and talents and abilities. How can I be in lack? I am gifted with so many skills, talents, abilities. I have all the abilities, capacities to receive the abundant money. To create that abundant money, I have all the skills, capacities and potential to be in abundance. I am a divine child and I don't need to be in lack. I invite the abundance in my life. I invite the abundance in my life. I invite the abundance in my life, and I'm open and ready to receive it. I'm open and ready to receive it. I deserve that abundant money. 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 I deserve it completely now in each and every cell of my body, in my mind, body and spirit. I am receiving it now. I'm receiving it now. I'm receiving it now. I'm receiving it now. I'm receiving it now. It's now, right now, it's receiving all this positive energy, this prosperity consciousness is dissolving, is becoming one with me. I am becoming one with this prosperity consciousness. I am getting one with that golden energy of prosperity consciousness. I am getting one with that golden energy of prosperity consciousness. I am getting one with that universal power. I am getting one with that abundant state. That abundant state is inside me. I am one with the universe. 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 So take a deep breath, inhale, close your eyes and just see the golden energy, the prosperity energy is already dissolved in each and every cell of your body. Each and every cell of your body is filled with this golden energy of prosperity. And whatever you want in your life, just visualize in that golden colored circle All those things that you want are already there in that golden colored circle. All those things that you desire are already there in that golden colored circle. See the money that you want, see the business that you want to build, see the house, all the materialistic things that you want are already there in that golden ball. Just see yourself in that, and you are receiving from all the directions, from the universe, from the sky. You are receiving that from all the directions, and you are open and ready to receive and set and ready to receive it.